Hello, for Uber.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Actually, I need you to tell me your name.
Oh no, you gotta make sure. I gotta make sure I'm the right driver. So what's the name?
Or either you confirm your name with me, or you tell me my name.
No, say my name.
Well, I need to make sure that I have the right passenger, so...
Well, I gotta make sure I have the right driver. So say your name.
Yeah, but I need you to say your name.
That's not how it works. Say your name. You could be like kidnapping me.
Well, you can either say my name. So
I'm not gonna say your name. Just say my name.
Why are you getting so like hostile?
Because you could be trying to like kidnap me. I don't feel safe in here.
Why would I be trying to kidnap you?
I don't feel safe. So
I'm a woman. Why would I kidnap some old man? Like, I don't care.
looks can be deceiving. You know what they say? Good things come in small packages.
Okay.
So what's your name?
Well, I need to know your name so I can.
I'm not telling you my name. I'm not
passenger.
telling you my name. You could literally.
You have my make and model of my car and the license plate numbers. You can just check and make
I
sure.
don't look at. I don't trust the app. So.
You don't trust the app.
No.
You don't trust the app.
I trust humans. Obviously, you're a human. I'm a human. Just say your name. That's how it works.
No.
Let's ditch technology and let's just go.
Oh my god.
I don't have time for this. Just drive.
It's too early.
Just
for
start
this.
driving. What's your name?
No, okay. Why don't I say my name and you?
You
say
literally
your
have a
name?
piercing. That says everything I need to know.
What?
You have a nose piercing.
Okay,
It's
and?
a huge red flag.
And you have glasses. That's a huge red flag too.
Everybody has glasses. You have a nose
I
piercing.
don't have glasses.
Okay, well it's not that's against my will. Like that's you willfully put that in. You should turn that inside so no one can see that when you drive.
Okay.
So what's my name? Just say my name. Are you serious?
Okay, fine. I don't have time for this. Dylan?
Yes. Jeez, was that difficult? Gosh, you're worst driver of all time. I'm rating you 1 star. I'm rating you 1 star and reporting you.
I don't get paid enough for this. Also, you're not reporting me or giving me 1 star.
Yeah,
I'm literally taking you to your destination.
I'm gonna report you after.
If you report me,
I got all
over.
day. I'm gonna call Uber right after this ride and be like, my driver sucks.
Okay,
Please.
we're not going anymore.
What are you doing?
I'm pulling over.
Drive. Take
No.
me.
Nope.
Are you serious?
You can get out. You can get out.
I can't
I've had
walk.
enough of
I
this.
can't walk. I literally have a gump leg.
That's not my problem.
I can't walk.
The ride's over. Okay, I ended the ride.
Just drive.
No, you're not even a passenger in my
I
car
can't
anymore.
walk.
You're
I
just a
can't
stranger
walk.
in my car.
What?
That's not my problem. Sit on the sidewalk and order a new Uber.
Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I literally have OCD. Like, I can't walk.
Okay.
So I'm like, I can't get in the sun.
How did you walk to the Uber just now?
Did you literally not see? I walked out of my front door, but I can't walk down the street.
You don't have to walk anywhere. You just order a new Uber from where you got out.
My phone died. I didn't even bring my phone. I just ordered it and left.
Oh my god. That's your problem.
Just
That's
drive.
not my problem. I'm not driving anywhere. You can get out.
How do you think
You can get out of my car.
How else do you think I'm gonna eat McDonald's? Just go.
Okay, fat ass, go eat your McDonald's. Just leave.
I got a ride to McDonald's. Take me. I need a Big Mac and fries. Go.
Maybe go walk there so you can burn off the calories.
I literally have high cholesterol, so just go. I need to eat.
Okay, if you have high cholesterol, you shouldn't be eating McDonald's.